welcome back to the channel. Good morning. I know I haven't been around. It's been about a week or two since I posted. Unfortunately, I had a little injury trying to play with the young cats on some soccer. Didn't work out well. Tore my leg up, had to go see some specialists. Now I'm limping around. I was on crutches for a week. Long story short, I retired from soccer. A 280-pound man should not be playing soccer unless, yeah, just shouldn't be playing soccer. Anyway, so a little updates on everything. The Camaro suspension is in. I promised you that I was going to lower her right there. Squeeze that in. We're going to do that. The rims are in. The tires are in. The tires were a whole fiasco. I ordered 4 tires off of Amazon, little grapplers, and the first one came in and it was a completely wrong tire. Wrong size, wrong brand, wrong everything. Then the next day, these 3 show up, and he takes the 4th one. Put a whole return with Amazon. Long story short, I thought they were sending it a few days ago. Yesterday I called them and they said, "Oh no, we didn't know what's going on." Well, the guy did a return, but I thought you were going to send me a new one. Anyway, I called them. They sorted it. I should be getting it this weekend, and then we will head to Junior's and we will install the tires and rims on the TRX, which is right out there. I have some Tazer updates I want to go over with you. As you can see, it is the World Cup. I love both my countries. Brazil plays today. United States plays tomorrow against England. Should be great games. I have a Tazer update on the truck. First off, I think I figured out the auto starts, and I think it was user error. So that's my bad. But there's some Tazer stuff I want to go over with you guys, and I gotta turn the truck around so you can see the reflection. So when you turn the truck on, you'll see trailer steering unavailable. You just saw that popped up there. And then when you put it in reverse, it's a lagging time, so I'm already moving, before the reverse cameras kick on, which it wasn't the case really before. I mean, you lag a little bit, but not like 3 seconds or 2, whatever it is. It's a noticeable delay where you have to wait. Not a fan of that, so I'm pulling back into the driveway now to show you. I noticed this morning. So, camera, reverse. It's already been in reverse. Now it kicks on. Sometimes it doesn't kick on. Sometimes it's just this camera. Sometimes it's not the 360 and just the reverse. It's glitchy, right? So. Now, the Halo, or the DRLs, I thought this was pretty funny, actually. So this morning, there was frost all over my glass, and I hit my mist button to wash it off, and I do this. Look at the DRLs. They blink. I'll do it again so you can see it. So I don't know what it's connected to. I don't know if the Automotive knows this, but the moment you hit your windshield wiper fluid, it turns off the daytime running lights. So I don't know. The Automotive, let me know what that is. So some of you have already commented, and some of you maybe haven't noticed, or noticed it didn't say anything. I'm part of a fraternity that does a lot of charitable things in the community. And as today is Thanksgiving, my fraternity, one of the brothers from my fraternity actually runs a church as well, and he helps out the community with a lot of different things during the holiday season, toy drives, Thanksgiving meals. So today, unfortunately because of COVID, doing the meals have changed. Now they are cooking and just doing deliveries for whoever is requesting it. So that's what we're doing now. Today, I'm on my way over to just sports, a lot of sports, and have a good time and do good things while we're doing it. So we made it to the church. Gotta find these people. Let's see what's going on. So I just picked up the 2 bags. I guess I get lucky. I get the same address, 1 delivery for 2 different families. I didn't record that whole situation because I didn't know how they felt about me vlogging and stuff. So anyway, we got 2 meals. Well, 2 different families, 4 meals total. Looks pretty good. And then let's drop them off. So I just got done dropping off. I didn't want to show their faces or like their house or stuff like that for obvious reasons, but we just dropped the food off. Now it's off to some family house for some turkey, some football, and then some American football. It's gonna be a great day. And we're having a wardrobe change. So I'm kind of doing like a 3-day, 4-day episode or upload. Upload, that's the word I'm looking for, upload. Sorry, it's been a couple weeks since I've done this. All right, so, well, the last couple of days. Anyway, I want to complain about one thing first. The GoPro 11 Black has the worst battery I've ever seen in my life. I charged it, I left it in the truck. I come back the next morning, it's fully charged. I only used it a couple times, which you'll see the images that I got, the shots that I got were maybe 3-4 minutes long, and it's dead. The 360 GoPro, I think it's the 10 Max, whatever it is, has 90% battery, and I haven't charged it in 2 weeks. So there's a problem here. And I changed the battery out on this one as well. I don't know if it's defective, but it's a piece of shit. So getting back today, we are going to do another charity thing for Toys for Tots. Local Marine, retired Marine in our area teams up with my lodge. And we, I think it's called Playing in Traffic for Toys for Tots. So we're gonna go there, but quickly, let's get a cold start. Waking the whole house up. Driving this thing in the winter is so much fun, but it's so the street is so cold, the tires just spin. It's like and trying to vlog with the stick with a manual car is like a pain in the ass, but whatever, we'll make it happen. I just don't feel like putting the POV hat on. But no, so we're going to go to this event. Spend a couple hours there. Like I said, it's World Cup season, so gotta get a couple games in as well. So let's head on over. I gotta say, every time I get in this car, it just puts a smile on my face. Don't get me wrong, the TRX has like 700 horsepower, and this has 700 horsepower. But the 700 horsepowers are 2 completely different horsepowers. This thing just rips. Ugh. Love it. So much fun. So I put the GoPro 11 on the charger. I bought a car charger just for it, and it's not even charging. The light's not even on. Like, I don't, maybe I have to turn it on for it to charge, but you can just plug in the 360 and it just starts charging. Really disappointed. And it says 100%. Look, what the hell? It didn't even turn on. So we just arrived. Looks like they have all the help that they need. I got here a little late, but we got all corners covered. Over here. And they're wearing the red jackets. Let's go say hi. So it looks like these guys have a lot of volunteers. So what I'm gonna do my part, is help the volunteers. I'm gonna go get a lunch order for everybody and go pick up some food for people. I think that would be able to do my part, you know what I mean? So let's find out what everybody wants. So we are gonna just take everyone's order and get everyone. So I got everybody's order. Got a few empanadas, a few waters, a few milkshakes. Let's see how I can do this with one hand and vlog. Probably have to put the camera down. And that's gonna wrap it up for this one. I know I forgot to do a closeout scene on the last one of the Thanksgiving, this video you're watching now. However,